Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a 2013 Dodge Dart headlight bulb. Start by parking on a level surface, turning off the engine, and removing the keys. Open the hood and locate the headlight housing at the front corners. Put on gloves to protect the bulb from oils. Remove any protective covers and disconnected wires carefully. Replace the bulb with the correct type, reconnect wiring, secure covers, and test the new light. Begin by removing the dust cover behind the headlight to expose the bulb socket. Use a screwdriver if clips are tight, and keep parts organized for reassembly. Press the connector release tab and pull the wiring harness straight back to avoid damage. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise or unclip it depending on your Dart setup. Carefully pull the bulb from the socket using gloves and inspect the socket for corrosion or debris before installing the new bulb. Hold the new bulb by the base and avoid touching the glass with bare fingers. Align the bulb tabs with the socket and insert it gently, then rotate or clip it into place until it seats securely. Reattach the wiring connector, making sure it clicks into position for a reliable connection. Turn on the headlights briefly to confirm proper operation and beam aim. If all looks good, replace the dust cover and close the hood, ready to drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.